Happy Wednesday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead. We seem to be just chugging along this week, already halfway through, with some very good job leads. The work from home job market seems to be picking up now that summer is coming to a close, which is great news for all of those of us who would like to work from home. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis, so make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you never miss another upload from me. But today's job lead is from the big real estate website app Zillow. They are hiring an accounts payable specialist. Now, if you want to get in the finance market and you have a little bit of finance knowledge, this is a great opportunity for you. They are not requiring any degrees at all. So they are looking for an accounts payable specialist to help focus the ability on prioritizing their high volume environment. They're looking for someone who will supervise an email inbox for assigned tasks, review invoices, and input key financial information such as purchase orders, project ID, prepaid expense classification, and accounting date into the system. You will have to provide some outstanding customer service to internal stakeholders and external suppliers, but you're not answering. This is not a typical customer service job where you're answering phone calls. So most of your job, like 90% of it, is going to be non-phone based. You'll also have to monitor invoices for overdue approvals and closely coordinate with the purchase team. Now, they are looking for someone who is proficient in Microsoft Excel and Outlook, someone who has great interpersonal skills and can work as a team, someone who enjoys problem solving and can work in a fast-paced environment and meet daily, weekly, and monthly deadlines. They want someone who has prior experience working in an internet, e-commerce, or media company is a plus, but not required. And you also get a plus if you have recent experience with Big ERP, Oracle, SAP, NetSuite, but that is also not required. They do want someone who has knowledge of key accounting concepts or basic financial statement components, but no education is required. You do not have to have any accounting experience whatsoever. And of course, pay is always dependent on location plus experience, but this job pays anywhere from $20 an hour to $30 an hour. Unfortunately, they did not list anything about a benefit package, but this is a full-time job, so I'm going to assume there is the standard benefit package that comes with insurance, 401k, paid time off, and all of the things, but you can ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the description anything that you are looking for specifically, because I'm always reading those comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.